Ladies and gentlemen, the SUSE and Rancher community proudly presents Front Row at KubeCon.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and this is our final installment of Front Row at KubeCon here at the Rancher booth today, and I am joined by Ken from Speedscale. Ken, welcome. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks a lot, Rob.
That's great to have you. How is this first conference back in person for you, treating you?
Yeah, it's great, to be back in person and not on Zoom anymore. Actually see people face to face and go to some of these presentations. It's been really nice so far.
Great. And what does Speedscale do, or what problem does it solve for our
so
customer?
Speedscale, we've got a capability where we plug into the cluster and we can capture traffic going in between pods.
Awesome.
We show you all your API calls going into and out of any given pod. Mm-hmm. And then we use that same traffic and replay it as a load test. And the other cool thing that we do is your pod's going to call some downstream system, and we can actually simulate that on the network as well. So you can isolate that one pod. When you're making a code change, you want to understand how's it going to perform the new version. We run the old traffic against the new version and help you understand if you have any problems.
Kind of give a comparison there for users to go, hey, this change is not going to break anything?
We do a lot of things like diffs. We compare, does it match the schema we expect? And we do a lot around performance as well. Sometimes you don't know, hey, I've just changed the version numbers of my dependencies. Did I introduce a new performance problem? So we work a lot around performance issues as well.
This is on-prem, off-prem, works anywhere, gives that single...
So it's a SaaS capability.
Oh, okay.
So you capture the traffic in the cluster, you send it up to our cloud, then you can see the data in our GUI, and then you, when you replay it, you run it in your own, Rancher cluster or whatever, and then you see the reports in our GUI, the results.
So you mentioned the Rancher cluster. Do you integrate tightly with the Rancher product as well?
Yeah. So we're interested in partnering with Rancher, especially we see people like using. I was talking to the government team earlier, kind of the government lockdown cluster. Some of the people like that everything is really highly compliant and that type of thing. That helps us also make sure that our product's really secure.
Yeah.
So people are comfortable when they're sending all this data to us that it's done in as secure a way as possible.
So you guys have a virtual booth. What are some of the things you guys are doing at your virtual booths for some of the people who are not here, remote, watching us live as well?
So we've got these kind of silly shirts. We're taking kind of a little poll to see how do people think they should pronounce, is it kubectl or kubectl or kubecontrol? And you would think there would be one answer that everyone agrees. It's literally like evenly split down the middle. So
really,
just kind of jokingly to break the ice a little bit. Yeah.
Awesome. Now, do you guys, because it's KubeCon, most of everyone around here has a big announcement. Do you guys have any big announcements coming during KubeCon?
Yeah, so one of our big announcements recently was around our traffic viewer capability, where you can visually see everything. It looks a lot like kind of a logging type of system, where you can see and then use a time picker, zoom in on a specific part of time when you knew you had a traffic issue. So we recently released that and announced it and kind of did a big push with one of our customers, DigiB. Yeah.
Awesome. Now, if someone wants to learn more about Speedscale beyond just your virtual booth, how would they go about that?
Yeah, so you can of course check us out online at speedscale.com.
Okay.
We've got couple videos up on our website. You can learn more. You can sign up for a trial as well on our site, and we're happy to help you get things set up.
Awesome, Ken. Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your conference.
All right. Thanks a lot, Rob.
Thank you, sir.